AdWords is a matchmaker. People search for summer hats, Italian restaurants, or 42-inch TVs, and they are matched with a list of businesses ready and willing to fulfill their needs. You know as a business owner that once someone has clicked on your ad, you've caught their attention. But now how do you ensure that they turn into your customer? Your landing page may be the key. The landing page is the page that people see right after they click on your ad. That may be your home page, a product-specific page, your Contact Us form, or other. Whatever you defined as your landing page when you created the ad. In AdWords, this is referred to as the destination URL. When choosing your landing page, keep the following in mind. When people, like yourself, browse the web and visit websites, they make a quick decision on whether to stay or move on. In fact, studies have shown that you only have a few seconds to convince potential customers to engage with your website after they land on it. Now, to make sure that this page seals the deal, ask yourself the following 3 questions. Is the page featuring what you promised in the ad? Take a close look at the page that your ad currently links to. If you're promoting a weekend special, is it featured on the site? If you mention the greatest selection of striped socks, can people find all of the striped socks that you offer on the landing page? To keep potential customers engaged, always showcase on your landing page what you promoted in the ad. Can people easily find what they are looking for on your site? Once a potential customer is on your landing page, make sure it's easy for him or her to navigate and explore your site. If someone can't find what they're looking for quickly and easily, they may leave your website to find it elsewhere. What do you want them to do on your site? Include a call to action. What is the goal of your website? Do you want them to buy now? Learn more? Sign up? Don't be shy and let them know. A call to action lets the potential customer know what they should do next. So take a look at your current landing page. Does it feature what you promise in the ad? Does it allow people to easily find what they were looking for? And does it encourage them to take an action? And there you have it. 3 tips that allow you to create landing pages that can help you seal the deal and turn interested website visitors into customers.